Hi students, I wish you a very good morning and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 7th chapter, that is the things around us. In previous video we have studied that what are the common characteristics of living things. Yes, so different common characteristics already we have discussed, like a excretion, respiration, growth, and so many things. Characteristics already I have 7-8 characteristics I have told. But students, and the last day also we have discussed about that 2 characteristics, but remain some characteristics today in this video we are going to discuss. So third one is growth, fourth excretion, and fifth one is reproduction, sixth one is movement. 4 characteristics of living things today we are going to discuss. So first of all we will discuss about that. What is that growth? Do you know that means growth? Growth means increasing the size. The physical appearance will change. Yes, you know that one small baby changing into child, and child is becoming or changing to youth. Yes, you know that very well. Yes or no? Yes, one baby is growing and changing into what? Child. Child is growing and changing into one young or one boy or one girl. Okay. So like one small seedling, one seedling means one small plants, that it is changing and growth whenever it is growing and it is changing into a tree. Yes. So this is called as changing, or this is generally called as growth. That means all that living things having this special common character, growth. That means all living things are, what is that? Growth, having that one particular characteristics. Yes, you know that very well. Yes, whenever we are keeping that one small plantation, small seedling or small plant or like that, after 1 year or after 5 days or 1 month, what we are observing? The size of that tree, it is increasing. Yes, that is called as a growth. It is common for that living things, for like animals as well as also plants. So let us see thoroughly what is that. Growth is an increasing in the size of an organism. That means it is increasing the size of an organism, whatever that may be. It is a plant or maybe it is an animal, but it is size will increase. That is called as growth. All living things show the growth. Whatever those who have the life, those who have the living things, they have the growth. Yes. Next examples: a baby grow into a child, a seedling grow into a tree. Already I have told you, one baby can change into child can change into one young or one boy. A seedling, one very small seedling means when it germinates that from the seeds, that whenever it will go and it will develop and it will grow, then it will become a tree. Okay, these are the example of growth. Next we will discuss about the students. What is that excretion? Excretion means the process of getting rid of waste by the living organisms is called excretion. That means, you know that means in our body, whenever doing that different functions, yes, so that time some waste products it is coming out. Yes, whenever you are drinking, eating, or some work we are doing, that whenever the different functions is going on inside the body, at that time क्या हो रहा है, वो थोड़ा वेस्ट जो प्रोडक्ट है वो निकल रही है. वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट कैसे निकलते हो? जैसा समय यूरिन है, ठीक है, और फेसेस है, some like sweat है, different carbon dioxide by the our respiratory हमारा excretion पे हमें छोड़ रहे हैं. तो ये जो है वो these are the called as क्या है वो excretion. ठीक, मतलब जो waste product in the bodies that it come outside, that is called as excretion. Do you understand? हमारा अंदर में जो वर्ज्य वस्तु है, मतलब जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है, वर्ज्य वस्तु मतलब जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है वो बाहर निकलने का वो जो प्रोसेस है उसको बोलते हैं हमें एक्सक्रीशन. हमें ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हमको नहीं चाहिए, तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हमें बाहर निकल रहे हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हमें एक्सक्रीशन. ठीक है. सेम लाइक प्लांट्स आल्सो, इट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फाउंड इन द लिविंग थिंग्स, बोथ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ठीक है. So you have seen that plants are also taking that water, carbon dioxide is releasing that water, oxygen, but also through the stomata also carbon dioxide also it is releasing. And also students, you have seen that water vapors and also some gums, these are the waste product of plants. You have seen that some gums it is coming outside from the plants. Okay, and also water also, if you will see that stomata under that leaves also it is coming that water, water vapors. Okay, these are the waste product of the plants. Okay, in plants also these are the through the stomata the present leaves, and also other waste products are gum and latex also it is coming outside as a what is that waste product. In plants, sorry, in plants carbon dioxide and water vapors are excreted through the stomata present in the leaves, and also other waste products are gum and latex. Okay, so these are generally when that animals cases urine, sweat, feces, and these are the waste product and carbon dioxide. But in the plant cases क्या हो जाता है, गम भी हो सकता है, वाटर वेपर्स भी, that whatever that waste product that through that water vapors it is coming out to, and latex also like that, another one gums like so these are the waste product. Next we will discuss about that what is that reproduction. The ability to produce young ones of their kind is called reproduction. Students, reproduction means to birth the new ones, new kinds, the same kinds of that new species. That yes, so new generation, whenever one cow can give birth one calf, so that means this is reproduction. Okay, reproduction का मतलब क्या है, ability to give that what product, मतलब young ones, that is called as a reproduction. Same types of things whenever will be reproduced, that is called as a reproduction. It is very necessary for living things to survive generation after generation. If reproduction system not there, then our generation cannot continue. This we cannot survive our the generation. ठीक, reproduction मतलब और जो स्पेसिस है, जो जितना है वो इंक्रीज होता. ठीक है, इफ रिप्रोडक्शन नहीं होता तब देन व्हाट विल हैपन, दैट स्पेसिस इट विल बी स्टॉप, दैट मींस इट विल वैनिश फ्रॉम द अर्थ. सो एवरी लिविंग थिंग्स हैविंग दैट रिप्रोडक्शन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ठीक है, एंड नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज दैट स्टूडेंट्स, एंड यू हैव सीन दैट डिफरेंट एनिमल्स हैविंग द डिफरेंट reproduction systems, you have studied in that higher class. Next, movement. Living things show the movement. Most animals move from one place to another, and also show the body movement. You know that if they are living things like animal, like a tiger, bear, human beings, they are moving one place to another. Their needs, they want food, they want works, they want any other things. So that's why they are moving one place to another. Plant, there most of the plants are what is that, they are fixed to the soil, they cannot move. Yes, but they are different part of the body like leaves, branches, stems, they are having their movement by the air. Okay, so friends, almost all these are the different common characteristics of living things like a growth, excretion, and a what is that, reproduction and a movement. And the next stimulative of that other things we will discuss of the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.